Hi dear friends, multiple choice questions on income tax part 2ലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. Question number 1. Deemed assessee is also known as A. Ordinary assessee, B. Assessee in default, C. Representative assessee, and D. Legal assessee. Option C is the correct answer, representative assessee. Second one, the year in which income earned is known as A. Financial year, B. Previous year, C. Assessment year, and D. Earning year. Option B is the answer, previous year. Third one, an individual who satisfies both the basic conditions but none of the additional conditions is said to be A. Ordinarily resident, not ordinarily resident, non-resident, and D. all of this. Option B is the answer, not ordinarily resident. Fourth one, a company is never A. Resident, B. not ordinarily resident, C. non-resident, and D. none of this. Option B is the answer, not ordinarily resident. Fifth one, the scope of total income of an assessee is determined on the basis of his dash in India. A. Citizenship, B. residential status, C. nationality, and D. all of this. Option B is the answer, residential status. Sixth one, section 16 deals with A. income from salary, B. income from house property, C. capital gains, and D. income from other sources. Option A is the answer, income from salaries. Seventh one, salary of an MP is taxable under the head A. income from salaries, B. income from profession, C. income from other sources, and D. income from business. Option C is the answer, income from other sources. Eighth one, salary of a partner is taxable under the head A. income from salary, B. income from business, C. income from other sources, and D. capital gains. Option B is the answer, income from business. Ninth one, taxable salary includes A. salary due during the year, arrears of salary, C. advance salary, and D. all of this. Option D is the answer, all of these. 10th one, HRA, that stands for house rent allowance, is an example for A. fully taxable allowance, B. partly taxable allowance, C. fully exempted allowance, and D. tax-free perquisite. Answer is option B, partly taxable allowance. Okay, thank you for watching.